Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a stylish 4-bedroom detached property. This is Merevale from Persona Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Harrogate. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a garage, lounge, kitchen, dining with another family space and also a washroom. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 2 double bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. These are the front visuals of the house. The layout is little different from the ones which you have seen so far. Since it's a detached property, you'll get good space in the front and towards the side as well. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a spacious and quite a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions made towards the first floor, kitchen, dining and also the living areas. I also like the front door given here. It's quite wide and one side they chose to give complete glass. If you want for privacy reasons, you can use a small curtain or cover it with blinds. And the staircase also is a little different. You're getting a small balcony on the top. The height also is really good. And one more thing, towards the front here you're getting a washroom with nice wide windows coming towards the front. So a lot of natural light falling inside the house and the design and architecture are really different and nice. So let's explore this property now. I was a bit confused as to which living area I'll check out first, because you have an independent living room coming towards this side and you also have another living area coming along with kitchen and dining spaces. So this is the independent living room which is coming towards the other side. Now the space is quite okay. You can easily plan a corner sofa or 2 different sofa sets and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You'll be getting a nice big window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling even here. And from this living room you'll have the garden views behind. So this is all about the first living room. Now let's check out other rooms in this property. So just as you come out of this living room, in between you'll find the garden access to these French doors given here. There's a nice spacious and fenced garden coming behind. Also check out this hall space given here. It's really wide and big. These days it's really difficult to find such wide halls in the new builds. Now let's explore the kitchen, dining and also the living areas here. As you can see, it's a quite wide and lengthy kitchen, dining and also the living space given here. Towards one side they planned the kitchen very comfortably. This is a modular kitchen and the design also is good. In between you're getting an extra worktop with a wash basin and everything fitted in. And in the middle you can easily plan a comfortable dining table with 6 to 8 chairs. And towards the other end you can plan your family area. Again 2 to 3 sofa sets you can plan with the TV set. And towards the living side you're getting the skylight windows and also 2 sides the walls they gave complete glass windows. Even towards the kitchen side, as you can see, 2 sides they planned complete glass windows. So plenty of natural light and very good ventilation here. So you'll be getting the integrated oven and also microwave towards the front end, and there are plenty of cupboards both at the bottom and even on the top. They have given the upgraded version of the granite worktop here. If you want you can go for it. Also the upgraded version of the electric cooking. There's an extra worktop coming in the middle with the wash basin and other fittings. So plenty of space towards the kitchen side. And towards the other end they plan the integrated fridge and freezer. A very bright and beautiful kitchen because you're getting almost both walls complete glass windows. This is something very new to me because so many properties I've seen so far, but not anywhere they've given such wide glasses We have checked out some of the other properties which are built and ready to sell, 3-bedroom houses. They are also very comfortable and spacious. They managed to give these kind of lengthy glass windows even in the living, kitchen and also the bedrooms. Now this is their style, which is different and nice. I also like the worktop given in middle here. It's again the worktop, they chose the granite one here on the top. The wash basin looks a little smaller, but once you live in such properties, you'll get used to it. Overall, a well-designed and beautiful kitchen. In between, you can plan the dining table. And moving towards the living area, as you can see, it's a well-designed living space here. 2 to 3 sofa sets can fit in, and you have plenty of room space to walk around. The architecture of this particular living area is really good. They managed to give 2 skylight windows on the top, and you're getting 2 walls completely with glass windows. Again, on top of it, towards the front end, you're getting another glass window, which is quite lengthy as well. So all the sides, windows, glass, light, and a lot of ventilation. Overall, a mind-blowing kitchen, dining and also living area. I really loved it. Now let's check out other rooms of this property. Now walking towards the front end and checking out the washroom, which is coming towards the left side as we enter the house. Now before moving towards the washroom, in between you have another room with the door and lock, and this has got the water heater. And beside the water heater you still get some storage space. You can plant something here. Now beside this small room, you're getting the washroom here in the ground floor. We have seen so many washrooms in so many different properties, but this is the biggest washroom in the ground floor. You have the water closet, sink, and there's an exhaust. They didn't give a window in the washroom, but they managed to give 3 small windows towards the front end. This is all about the ground floor. Now let's check out the rooms on the first floor. So on the first floor we are getting 4 bedrooms with 2 double bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So let's check out the first bedroom of the house. This is the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom where a double cot fits in and you can walk around. The space looks small because you have a projection coming towards the front end, because they planned a wardrobe. Now when you actually book these kind of houses, you can design in which rooms you actually need a wardrobe, and when you plan those wardrobes in a proper way, you'll get some extra space. If you look at the windows are very pretty. You're getting a lengthy window which is covering almost the entire wall. You have the front visuals from this window here, so plenty of natural light and very good ventilation in the bedroom. Now let's check out the ensuite. The design of this bathroom also is different. They planned it in a lengthy way. Towards one end you're getting the walk-in shower, and towards the opposite end you're getting the water closet, and in between they planned the sink. Again you're getting a lengthy window even in the bathroom, so plenty of light and very good ventilation. So towards front end, in this projection they actually planned the wardrobes. If it was me, I would never plan a wardrobe here. If I can actually avoid this projection, it would be better, because you'll get all this extra space in the bedroom. Now just beside this master bedroom, you're getting the family bathroom. This is a fully tiled bathroom. Comparatively, this is spacious. You have the tub, sink, and also the water closet. Now towards the opposite side, you're getting the rest of the 3 bedrooms. So before moving towards the bedrooms, in between you have another small room with door and lock, and inside you have the boiler and also some extra storage space provided. Now checking out the 2nd bedroom of the house. The space is quite okay. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. Even in this bedroom, you're getting a projection towards the front end, but they didn't plan any wardrobe here. There's a decent size window coming towards the front end, so good amount of light and ventilation even in this room. You can use it as a guest room, kids room, or anything you want to. This is all about the 2nd bedroom. Now let's check out the 3rd bedroom of the house. In between, the hallway was really big, so they managed to give 2 windows in this hallway. So this is the 3rd bedroom. The space is quite okay. A double cot fits in and you can walk around. You're getting 2 small windows, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. But again, if you observe, there's again a projection even in this room. They actually planned a wardrobe here, so that took off the extra space. So this is the wardrobe given here. Now when you book a property, you won't get these wardrobes fitted in. You have to pay additionally for these kind of wardrobes. So plan them in those bedrooms where it's necessary, otherwise it will take off the extra space. Now checking out the ensuite which is attached to this 3rd bedroom. The plan of this ensuite is much similar to the one in the master bedroom. It's designed in the same way. Towards one end you're getting the walk-in shower, towards the opposite side you have the water closet, and the window also is planned in the same position. Because the space is given in length, you don't feel it's really small. So this is all about the 3rd bedroom. Now let's check out the 4th bedroom of the house. So just beside this you're getting the last bedroom. This is comparatively the smallest room in the house. A small cot fits in, or you can actually plan it as a storeroom, computer room, anything you want to. If it was me, I would have planned a wardrobe in this room and give maximum space in the bedroom. You're still getting a window in this room, so plenty of light even in this small room. Overall, a decent property with new style and comfort. Ground floor was really mind-blowing. If you remember those rooms, everything, the design, quite spacious and airy. Upstairs, the bedrooms also are okay, but then because of those projections and the wardrobe space, they look small. But if you plan the wardrobes in a very clever way, you can still manage to get some extra space. So we'll just check out the front view of the house a little bit. The garage is coming beside this house here. Since it's a detached property, as I told you in the beginning, you'll be getting space in the front and towards the both sides, including the garden. So you can also park 2 cars in the front. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.